choices they've made them.
Oh, yes.
What is it?
Because, you know, we
Bling Brush, wait, and a little place to put your engagement ring at night.
It's a jewelry cleaner.
It is. You can take it anywhere you want, and you just and you can shine it up, and it'll always be sparkly and bright. A Bling Brush.
Thank you.
Since you just got engaged.
History Month, so we brought one of my favorite business owners.
Hi.
What do you got here?
So this is Baublerella. This is a natural, glamorous, on-the-go jewelry cleaner, so you can use it anytime, anywhere, on anything.
So I'll tell you a story. I met her at a trade show, and she walked up to me and she said, "Can I polish your jewelry? Can I polish your jewelry?" And I'm like, "That's such a great opening line." And she did such a good job. I said, "Let's bring this to Good Morning America." So show them there's two different products. There's the pen that works just like a lip gloss.
Yeah, so you twist it, and this is for stones. So you can clean, like, underneath your fine gemstones as well as fashion jewelry stones.
And then you also have, like, this
Yes.
glove, right? Do I
Yes,
put that
glove.
on?
So this is for
And look,
tarnished
that's what came
jewelry.
off with my jewelry. No.
So you see this is tarnished, and then we cleaned it this morning. So you can see the clear difference here as well as here. And it comes off in an instant.
So, guys, congratulations.
Guys, but Bling Brush, I'm obsessed. This cleans your jewelry. It's like a pen you keep in your purse, and it cleans it. So like after you wash your hands at the airport, don't leave the rings on the counter when you're traveling.
Just do it right
this
there.
evaporates, and it makes the best
shiny.
Love Bling Brush. Great stocking stuffer for your girlfriends too.
Where's our thing that we were going to face swap? We forgot.
Oh, wait, let's do that.
Okay, we don't know where it is.
I don't know.
Okay.